There are so many ways to share when we're using Google. Now, from Drive, if we have a document, we can right click and choose that share button. And then we can start typing the address of the person we would like to share it with. Now, on the right, you can make this person a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. A viewer means they can just see the document and that's it. A commenter means that they can add a comment, and an editor means that they are able to add text, images, do all of that editing. So choose which permission you would like to give this person, and you can notify them or not. I prefer to notify them because that sends an email. If you include a message, I'm just going to say this is a test, that message will be sent to that person's Outlook email. And when I click send, then Ms. Rios now has access to view this English elective. Now, if we go to this document here, in every Google Doc, you will see that there is a share button. Right now, it is private only to me. When I click on that, I again have the option to add a person. So I could add Ms. Rios again. Or I can actually get a link. So right now it's restricted, only people added can open with this link. If I want to share it with anyone in the Gadsden Independent School District, I click that, and then I choose, do I want them to be a viewer, a commenter, or an editor? So I'm going to leave that as viewer, and I'm actually going to change this to anyone with the link. I'm going to copy the link, and we will go be student 1. And I'll open a new tab and show you that student 1 was not added, but student 1 can still see the student effort and understanding document that was shared. And we can do that same sharing within Google Drive. So, and this is my best tip. From Drive, if I have a folder that I want to share, I right click on the folder and I can share it with specific people or get that link. And this might be a resource that I want anyone with the link to be able to view. So I'm going to click done. That means anything in this particular folder can now be viewed by anyone with the link. I can click the little people to see that. Anyone with the link, I could add people. I can also use that tiny triangle to get to that share or get a link, whichever I need to do. But let's just say administering the blue something here. Okay, this document was private. When I go to share, it now says anyone with the link can access. I can click on it to see, really, is that true? And yes, it is. Anyone with the link. I can always change that so that it can be maybe just Gadsden Independent Schools for this, because it's not really, I mean, the end of the year assessment was really only a Gadsden thing through Elluminate. So I can do it that way. So I hope this quick overview of sharing with Google Docs and on Google Drive has been helpful.